Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I would love to share this healthy yummy egg recipe with you. I love it because it's healthy and it's very feeding. So here I have diced my minced pepper and also diced my carrots. I love to play with colors a lot, so I try to do a mix up with greens, red, yellow, just to mix things up so that it's not boring. So here I broke the eggs. I used 2 eggs for this recipe. So I broke the eggs and diced a pinch of salt, just a little. And I mixed my pepper and diced carrots into a bowl where I'm going to mix everything up together so that they form a nice batter. So for my oil, I used 1 full cup of my bottle. I split it into 2. I'm using sesame oil. You can use any oil of choice, but I think today I just preferred sesame oil. Then I poured about 1/3 of the spread into my frying pan, which I have placed on medium heat. Of course, I had already spread the oil in the fry pan, and then I let it fry for a few seconds. Then I roll it up to make space for the next spread. First spread was like 1/3. I shared it in my mind like 3, so I make space for the next spread. And then I poured another 1/3 into the space, the other half of the frying pan, and let it fry for a few seconds too. Notice that on medium heat so that the first half that is fried is not too burnt. Then I rolled it up to make space for the last spread. And then I finally roll everything all together. Looks so good, and it even tastes so better. You can add this as a healthy light breakfast or with yam, plantain, either fried plantain or boiled plantain or grilled or air fried. There are lots of choices that you can make. You can even have this with bread, but I add it with cucumbers for breakfast. So goodbye to oily fried eggs. Please drop a comment if you'd love to try this out, and please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you'd love to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.